Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. Today we're making a classic appetizer that's sure to be a crowd pleaser, Crab Rangoon. These crispy little wontons filled with creamy crab and cheese are always a hit, and trust me, they're easier to make than you think. So grab your ingredients and let's get cooking. Ingredients: 8 ounces cream cheese, softened. 6 ounces lump crab meat, picked over. 3 tablespoons finely chopped chives. 1 teaspoon soy sauce. Half a teaspoon garlic powder. 1 egg, beaten. 1 package wonton wrappers. Vegetable oil for frying. Sweet and sour sauce, for dipping, optional. Making the filling. First, in a large bowl, combine the softened cream cheese, crab meat, chives, soy sauce, and garlic powder. Mix until everything is well incorporated and creamy. Now, grab your beaten egg and add a tablespoon or 2 to the filling. This will help it bind together and prevent the wontons from bursting while frying. Folding and frying. Okay, time to get folding. Lay out a wonton wrapper and put about a teaspoon of the filling in the center. Brush the edges with some beaten egg to act as glue. Now, there are a few ways to fold these. You can go classic triangle, square pouch, or even get fancy with a fortune cookie fold. Choose your style and carefully seal the wonton, making sure there are no holes for the filling to escape. Repeat with all the remaining filling and wrappers. You can pre-fold them and store them in the fridge until you're ready to fry, or fry them right away. Heat up your oil to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. You can use a deep fryer or a large pot with a thermometer. Carefully drop the wontons in the hot oil and fry for about 2-3 minutes, or until they're golden brown and crispy. Drain them on paper towels to remove any excess oil. Serving and dipping. And there you have it. Your homemade crab rangoons are ready to devour. I love to serve them piping hot with a side of sweet and sour sauce for dipping. But honestly, they're delicious on their own too. Tips and tricks. If you don't have lump crab meat, you can use imitation crab meat instead. Just remember to chop it finely for a better texture. Want to add some extra flavor? Try mixing in a teaspoon of minced ginger or a pinch of sriracha to the filling. Don't overcrowd the pan when frying, or the temperature of the oil will drop and your rangoons won't be crispy. Leftovers? No problem. You can store these in an airtight container in the fridge for up to 3 days or freeze them for longer. So there you have it, my friends. This crab rangoon recipe is super easy and perfect for any occasion. Give it a try and let me know what you think in the comments below. And don't forget to subscribe for more delicious recipes and cooking fun.